Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing a trusted password manager and its browser extension. This saves time and prevents clipboard leaks. Create a strong master password, then enable two-factor authentication inside the manager so your vault stays protected. Once done, open Discord and navigate to user settings and connections to prepare for authorized app links. You're doing this now so stored credentials can autofill securely. Make sure to grant only needed permissions when prompted and avoid saving Discord recovery codes in plain text. You now save Discord credentials into the vault using add entry or the browser capture. This ensures autofill and prevents mistyped passwords. When capturing, set fields explicitly: username, email, password, and add the OTP seed or TOT if your manager supports it. That enables one-tap codes. Also save Discord recovery codes as a secure note inside the same vault, clearly labeled. Once done, test autofill on the Discord login page and verify the TOT generates valid codes before continuing to integrate others. You finish by using the extensions autofill and TOT pop-up to sign into Discord fast and securely. That reduces phishing risk and clipboard exposure. If autofill fails, reauthorize the extension in your browser, clear cache, or reconnect the Discord entry in the vault. These quick fixes restore field matching. Make sure to maintain an encrypted offline backup and rotate your master password periodically so compromise risk stays low. Finally, if you lose access, use your stored recovery codes to regain control and then rotate passwords immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.